Hey guys, today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. So let's get started. There are two simple ways to capture a screenshot on most Android devices. The first method is using the physical buttons. Open the screen you want to capture, then press the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Release both buttons quickly and your screen will flash to confirm that the screenshot has been taken. A preview will appear at the bottom of the screen where you can edit, share, or delete the screenshot. If you don't do anything, it will automatically be saved to your Gallery or Photos app. If the button combination doesn't work, or if one of your buttons is broken, you can use the Quick Settings panel instead. Swipe down from the top of the screen to expand the Quick Settings menu. Tap the S Capture icon, then add the screenshot tile if it isn't already there. Once it's added, open the screen you want to capture, swipe down to access Quick Settings, and tap the screenshot tile. Your phone will instantly capture the screen and save the image to your gallery. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.